All right, welcome to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we're going to talk about a brand new EV coming to Lexus. Before we get to that, thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe. I cover new and used vehicles, plus I do live streams. Now back to the Lexus. All right, so the new Lexus EV that's coming out is going to wear the RZ badge. Do not get that confused with the RX. The RZ is going to be based off the Toyota and Subaru. So the Subaru side of it is the Solterra. The Toyota side of it is BZ4X. The horsepower on the Toyota one was a little bit of a letdown, 215 horsepower. So this one is going to be wearing a 450E designation. So the full name of this vehicle is going to be RZ 450E. This suggests that it's going to make more horsepower. Man, I would hope it would really make 450, but even if it makes as little as 300 to 400 horsepower, this would be a winner for Lexus. The price should start around $50,000, so relatively affordable. I don't know anything about range yet. I would expect it to have at least 300 miles of range if it's going to be wearing the Lexus badge. But what do you guys think? I'm going to play this little video. It's only about 20 seconds long. You guys can check it out. All right, so that's what I have on the Lexus RZ for now. As more information comes out, I will make more videos going forward. Thank you again for watching. Please do like and subscribe. I don't want you to miss out on any content. My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Have a good one.